Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make butter slime. Start off by adding as much glue as you want into your bowl. Add some conditioner to make your slime stretchy. Then add some lotion to make your slime super soft. Add a little bit of activator at a time so that you don't overactivate your slime. If you want to learn how to make activator, go ahead and check one of my previous videos. When your slime isn't sticking to the bowl, start mixing it with your hands. Model Magic is pretty stiff. To make it not stiff, add a little bit of lotion. After softening your Model Magic, go ahead and add it to your slime. And here's the finished product. In the end, the butter slime was super soft and stretchy, and I love the texture. Thanks for watching.